Car. I make videos for the Off-Grid Shop YouTube channel. Maybe you recognise me when I look like this. Over the next 10 weeks, I'm going to challenge myself to build my own off-grid kitchen. But today, I'm in front of the camera, behind the scenes, in the boss's office, because I want to make a video all about you. If you live off-grid, or you want to live off-grid, whether you're just starting out or you're seasoned at it, we want to know what you want to see about off-grid living. We've got a really quick 2-minute survey. It's kind of funky and fun, and we'd love you to fill it out. We want to make content in 2022 that's specifically tailored to your needs. What do you need to know? What do you want to see? Do you want to go to off-grid properties? Do you want to see people that have started out? Do you want to see experts? Do you want us to do lives? Do you want to know more about batteries, panels, anything and everything? Let us know in the 2-minute survey and we'll make it for you. As a bonus, if you fill in the survey, we'll send you one of these t-shirts. Blue, orange, this one's a bit pre-loved, but we will send you a new t-shirt early in 2022 to say thanks for filling out the survey, and also just to celebrate a whole lot of new beginnings here at the Off-Grid Shop. We'd really love to make videos next year, especially for our community. We want to make it all about what you want to know on off-grid living, so fill out the survey. We'll really appreciate it. We'll say a big thanks, and we'll see you early next year. Merry festive season.